Dwayne from Baytown has a garage conversion question.
It has a 24 by 24 garage, and he's going to turn it into a family room out there. But he's got
That's a good place to put your family out in the garage.
But there's a
I like
wrinkle.
that.
Well, hang on. Dwayne writes, my issue is the house side of the garage has a 5 foot by 24 area that's raised about 3/4 of an inch on the side of the garage, right?
I understand.
And he wants to know, how would you suggest bringing up the other 19 by 24 feet area to match that so he can carpet the area?
Sandcrete. Pour sandcrete. And I mean, if you're going to do this seriously and not take it back to a garage, it's just fill it up with sandcrete. Sandcrete is Portland cement. It is, of course, you're going to add water, and it's sand. It doesn't have any aggregate, some rocks in it. So it's real fine, and you can just fill it up and then put carpet on top. I don't want to hear about rebar and all this. It's not going anywhere. You're just filling it up and walking on it.
You're just pouring some concrete on top of concrete inside.
But not concrete. I want you to do sandcrete.
Okay, but essentially you're just putting it inside a big box anyway.
Yeah.
Is he going to have to put a form on the end so it doesn't run
You
out
might.
the
I don't
front?
know the whole thing, but if you do, just rip down some 1x4 pressure treated to the size you need so you have an equal space and just dump it in there and screed it out and put your carpet on. That's what you would do.
All right. And just think of what a nice view it is when you get the family in there and you hit the button, open the doors, and it'll be great.
Well, you should get rid of the door.
I'm kidding.
Build a wall, and don't go back to a garage. Because somebody will say, Tom, it'll be 5 years from now, Charlie. Tom, how do I get all this sandcrete out of the garage? I want to convert back to a garage.
Thinking, well, if it's like other walls are being built in 5 years, it won't be done. So there you go. You got a question, send it to us. We will help you out. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom form, fill it out, and we'll answer your question like these videos over here. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, we'll ring yours when we post a new one.